Oh, here we go. He's done it again. We've got another missing clamp that's going to nearly call. Oh, mate, we've got a few problems going on here. Let's keep this one short, guys. Okay, give me 2 minutes. I'll hit you with everything I've got in 2 minutes. Okay, it looks like the clamp was left loose and all the oil's been leaking out on the E-jar cooler. Not good. It looks like this clamp's broken away, so you just cut that off and put a zip tie through there to secure your wiring loom. The clamp at number 4, fuel pipe's missing. That could vibrate and end up leaking. Might take 6 or 7 years, we know about that. But make sure that clamp's not missing. Make sure your bolt in the E-jar cooler just there isn't missing. Luckily that one's there. And I've got a little bit more time up my sleeve. What else have we got? What's the E-jar? Oh, look at that. Look how clear that is. That's actually, what is going on there? That looks like a vehicle that's got a plate with a 7mm hole. We'll have to check that out, but I don't think it has. So let me think. Oh, the blow-by situation, because this is the one with the blocked oil pickup. The engine's worn because it's got starved of oil. Maybe it's burning oil. It's going past the rings, coming into the, being evacuated through. So, but is it really wet? Because, the oil tends to sort of wash it through. Or this is all blocked and seized up, the E-jar cooler, and it's not flowing through there anymore. Yes, that could be it. Let me see now. All right, we've got to analyse this. It's going to take more than 2 minutes. So if you want the information that took me more than 2 minutes to find out and work out and publish in a video, you've got to hang around for those longer videos and check the Injector information playlist. Subscribe, turn the bell on, all that sort of stuff. You can spend your time later on at night doing your homework, getting yourself educated, watching these videos. But what I can do in 2 minutes is say, that looks like the normal amount of oil to you, to me, yeah? Wouldn't you agree? Yeah, you can shine your light in there if you want. All right. That's the normal. It's not like really wet. Got a bit of oil here.
He's cleaned it.
Yeah, maybe it's been cleaned. Yes, maybe he's done it. Yeah, he could have done an E-jar clean. Is there a plate there? Have you had a look? Oh, okay, cool. So there's no plate there. So the E-jar cooler can block up as well. Anyway, we're out of time. Like, subscribe, catch you on these videos are going to come out random anytime, and there's some longer ones. So catch you on the next one, guys. Subscribe, turn the bell on. Bada bing, just trying to help. See ya.